भाई चांद कहाँ से निकल रहा है रोज रोज? What has happened to my beautiful club? We are actually doing transfers. We are actually getting things done. Nico Williams to Barca is almost done. It everything indicates that it's going to be second signing of the summer. What the hell? भाई वो तो कुछ है ही नहीं because we know कल पता चल गया था कि निको विलियम्स एंड बारसा की शादी एग्री हो गई थी. The only problem is the transfer fees. I think we would get it done. I think अगर हराम को टेवस को दिक्कत नहीं देगा, so I think we would get it done. But that's not even the big news of the day. Marcus Rashford cap confirms talks with Barca in recent days. The very likely arrival of Nico Williams does not prevent the club from keeping this option as a market opportunity. Rashford was very keen to come and is willing to wait. But this guy is desperate to join Barcelona. What the hell? But it feels like we are back in 2015 again. Players like Marcus Rashford are desperate to join Barca. They are desperate to wait for Barca. We don't even need Marcus Rashford because he's a starting good left winger. I know we cannot afford to get Marcus Rashford, but to see a player like him waiting to join us is crazy. I'm a United fan too, so I know Rashford ki problems with Amrin, with Ineos, with the team, with the club, with the fan base. But he's a good player. We saw in Aston Villa. We saw 2 years ago. We saw against Barcelona. हमारे against जब Ter Stegen हरामखोर near post से goal खाया था. He's a good player. And if this player is keen, he's willing to wait to join Barca. That's crazy, bhai. He's a good player. I think he works in the system. I think he works in this team as a backup player. I don't think he can bench Rafinha, Lamine, Lewandowski. Of course he can't. Of course he can't bench Nico Williams. But agar he's happy to be a backup winger, to be a backup string in the main team, that's a good option. But the bad news is, bhai, we cannot afford him. Because being a United fan too, I can confirm United would want to sell Rashford to Barca. कोई लोन की ऑप्शन होएगी ही नहीं. अगर हमको नीको विलियम्स से दिक्कत हो रही है टू गेट द नीको विलियम्स डील डन, टू गेट हिज ट्रांसफर फीस डन, और हमको राइट बैक बैकअप चाहिए, हमको लेफ्ट बैक बैकअप चाहिए, वी कैन नॉट अफोर्ड टू स्पेंड मनी ऑन मार्कस रैशफोर्ड हु इज अ बैकअप प्लेयर. वी कैन नॉट अफोर्ड टू स्पेंड लाइक 40 million ऑन अ प्लेयर हु इज 28 years old. ना भाई, वी कैन नॉट डू दैट ऑन अ बैकअप विंगर. बाय द वे, वी कांट डू दैट. हमारी टीम में दिक्कत अभी ये है, वी डोंट हैव प्लेयर्स दैट वी आर विलिंग टू सेल. फाती जाएगा एंड दैट्स इट. दैट्स द ओनली आउटगोइंग एग्जिट वी हैव इन दिस टीम. अरेयो को, टर स्टेगन को, भाई देखो हमारी टीम में मिडफील्डर्स बहुत सारे हैं. I know it is tough to say. I know it would be sad to see one of the young players go in the midfield, but we might have to sell those players to get players like Rashford. Yeah, backup right backs or something else, because we cannot mathematically, statistically, औकात wise, पैसे wise, we cannot get this deal done at all. And most importantly, Barca keep moving for Rooney Bergji. He's the same profile. He's a right winger. He's young. He can come for 2-3 million. So why would Barca spend 40 million on Marcus Rashford when they can go and rather buy this guy for 2-3 million? I don't think it happens. Rashford is very good. I think he's a good player, good backup player. Farhan के साथ अगर Rashford, भाई तुम imagine करो the movies that would be made in Camp Nou. जब 60 minute के अंदर defense is already tired with Nico, Lamine, Rafinha, then Rashford, Lewandowski, फरहान, come on भाई, फरहान अख्तर भाई, भाग मीका भाग भाई, उनका डिफेंस भागेगा भाई, थक के मर जाएगा भाई. What the hell are we talking about? That's a great signing, that's a great possibility, but we can't do that. We cannot afford to do that भाई. It is sad, but it is what it is भाई. ये क्या था भाई, लिवरपूल फैंस की चोट देखो, फ्रिम्पॉम, वर्ड्स, कर्किस, एंड दे आर थिंकिंग दे कैन गेट पेड्री. भाई मैंने अभी एक सेकंड पहले बोला था, आई थिंक बारसा शुड सेल अ मिडफील्डर. I know, of course, Pedri, Gavi, Firmino are nowhere close to getting sold. They cannot get sold. But Frankie, maybe Olmo, maybe Casata, maybe, I don't even know. There are Pablo Torre, there are players there that can be sold. Of course, Pedri is not even an option. He's nowhere close to an option. But तुम next दिन ऐसे देखो ना, अगर Pedri, De Jong हर मैच स्टार्ट करे एंड तुम्हारा कैम तुम कह रहे हो कि निको विलियम्स या रफीना स्टार्ट करेगा, सो पहली बात भाई, Olmo, Fermin Lopez, Gavi, Casedo, Fermin, like there are 5-6 players backup to 3 starting positions भाई. So we can sell midfielders भाई, but कौन से sell करेंगे? I have no idea. But it can be done. Desperate time, desperate needs. We need backup right back, we need backup left backs, we need backup keeper तो हो गया, but we need backup players in other positions. But हमारे midfield में बहुत players हैं. फिर यहाँ से ये क्या था, क्लोडिया बवेल, पता नहीं, ओ माय गॉड भाई, जा ही नहीं रहा, पीछे नहीं हट रहा था भाई. ये भाई तुम देख लो भाई, कम टू माई हाउस आई हीटिंग जस्ट ऑड भाई, लमीन भी ठरकी है, एंड दिस पीपल आर जस्ट वियर्ड टू भाई, सो जस्ट यू नो व्हाट भाई, जस्ट क्लोज इट टैब, आई डोंट केयर। अगर कोई केस चलेगा, कोई वो कोर्ट जाएगा, अपेरेंटली बारसा में स्पेन में कुछ और ही चल रहा है भाई, द एज ऑफ कंसेंट इज डिफरेंट, सो यू नो व्हाट भाई, अगर इट जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ पर्सनल ओपिनियन एंड कोई केस नहीं है, सो व्हाट मोर कैन आई से भाई, मैंने कल परसों कह दिया भाई जो मैंने कहना था, दैट्स इट भाई। ये देखो, मार्कस रैशफोर्ड हैज मेड हिमसेल्फ अवेलेबल टू रियल मैड्रिड, देन ऑफ कोर्स भाई अंकल भाई मार्क गोल्बेज would be great for him if it happened, and fingers crossed it happens, but feels a little bit like me making myself able to mark. By good joke, and you know what, by it kind of relates because in Real it's more likely an option that Marcus Rashford could be a good option than Barca. बिकॉज तुम अगर रियाल की बात करोगे, वीनी हो गया, रॉड्रिगो हो गया, एम्बापे हो गया, अगर रैशफोर्ड को बैकअप भी बनना है ना, सो रैशफोर्ड को बी अ गुड बैकअप ऑप्शन एट रियाल भाई, एंड इमेजिन द origin story भाई, imagine the evil arc Rashford would be on भाई, he would be crazy, he would be tripping भाई, कि मैं मेरे को बार्सा ने desperate था भाई, he's been keen to join Barca since 2-3 years, उसको हमने नहीं लिया, and he then goes to join Real Madrid, our arch enemies, and be a backup player for them भाई, the origin story would be crazy, and it can happen because Real में Vini है, Rodrigo है, Mbappe है भाई, we can't see me Rodrigo, we can see your thrash, but वो players हैं, Brahim Diaz है, so I think Rashford can work there. Rashford could be a good backup option at Real. It would be crazy. It would be sad as a Barca fan, as a United fan, who wants to see Rashford at Barca, to see Rashford balling out at Real. But maybe भाई पता नहीं क्या होता है यहाँ पे, because it's a tough transfer भाई, tough transfer fees, tough deal, tough player. But let's see भाई. Then ये देखो भाई, this did not get covered a lot, but apparently Ceballos is the mole in the Real Madrid team. I just saw this, I'm freaking out. I would have never imagined journalists saying in the middle of a press conference, who is the mole in the locker room. It was already known, it was very clear. Ceballos is a character. So apparently, Danny Ceballos is the leak in the Real Madrid team. भाई ये cover नहीं हुआ because it's in Spanish. Madrid extra ने जो Real की पेज है, इन्होंने इसको cover नहीं करा है. But apparently ये transition थी यहाँ पे. But apparently इससे कुछ बोला था, यहाँ पे Ceballos का नाम लेते हैं, इसकी शक्ल देखना हम यहाँ पे. इसकी शक्ल स्टार्टिंग में भाई, जस्ट ही वाज फ्रीक्ड आउट भाई कि Ceballos is a leak and Real has discovered it. Apparently a journalist said his name कि Ceballos ने हमको बताया है. It's crazy to see Ceballos भाई. He's an old senior player भाई. He's the same player जिसने गावी को धक्के मारे थे in a match against Real, in El Clasico. So Aramco player, I don't like him a lot. And to see he's a leak too ना, crazy भाई. Huh, disgrace. Then भाई, if Zidane got what he wanted, Pogba's career would have turned out so differently, man. He would have cooked for us. भाई पहली बात तो इस बंदे की abs देखो भाई, pause. And Pogba in a Real Madrid jersey. भाई Pogba is going to Monaco या जहाँ मर्जी जा रहा है, I don't know भाई, पर Real में he can't go. Because I saw a tweet there कि Real needs a midfielder and apparently Perez has denied them to get a midfielder, Xabi Alonso को. So imagine they get Paul Pogba. I don't think it happens. I don't think Real का जो system है, जो Perez है, जो owner है, how he runs his club, I don't think Pogba to Real happens ever भाई. Good player, good signing, maybe 5 साल पहले भाई, but right now अगर Pogba फुटबॉल खेला ही नहीं है, the amount of controversy he has, I don't think Pogba to Real happens at all. But you know भाई, good photo भाई. Then Messi और Ronaldo के quotes भाई, पता नहीं क्या ही कर रहे हैं भाई, whatever. Off the pitch we are normal guys, we are not friends because we don't spend time together. Whatever भाई, whatever positive quotes भाई. Lamine parting with Neymar. Rashford is not the Nico signing भाई. I've been told that Rashford is nothing to do with the winger signing. Nico still must be भाई देखो. Will be addressed post Turgan and Garcia story. Let's see what happens भाई. And last क्या था? All of the operations are currently on hold, with the club putting all efforts in seeding Nico Williams first. As I mentioned yesterday, भाई देखो. Get, हाँ? Perisic कहाँ से लिया है भाई? Then we'll talk about fullbacks. Rashford, Perisic. What the hell? Why are we talking about Perisic भाई? What? I just saw this name. No way भाई. I don't want this thrash player. Just get Rashford and get fullbacks. That's it भाई. Nico Williams भी अब ये लड़का ही आएगा मोस्ट लाइकली भाई, बच्चे ही आएगा. रूनी बर्गवाइन जो भी नाम है इसका, एंड दैट्स इट भाई. दैट्स डन भाई. गुड ट्रांसफर विंडो, गुड न्यूज भाई. गुड टू सी एम्बिशन इन आवर क्लब भाई. गुड टू सी भाई, गुड टू सी. इमेजिन रियल गेट्स पोग्बा, इमेजिन सेबायोस. ओह माय गॉड भाई, मूवी, व्हाटएवर भाई, व्हाटएवर. गुड ट्रांसफर है भाई, गुड ट्रांसफर.